What is up, everybody? I hope you're having a fantastic Friday, and today we're going to be doing a walking tour of Pacific Beach. Pacific Beach is the party town of San Diego, so if you're into nightlife and going to bars, Pacific Beach is where it's at. Now, if you guys remember last episode, if you watched that, we did do a tour of Mission Beach. Mission Beach and Pacific Beach are pretty much brother and sister. Yeah, you could walk the boardwalk between the two beach towns. It's a little bit of a walk, but you can do it nonetheless. I did it when I was over there, and it's quite a walk. You gotta be bored in order to be doing something like that. But Mission Beach is where all the activity is during the day, and then Pacific Beach is where all the activity is at night. So if you're into playing volleyball or going to the carnival or doing all these daytime activities, then you would want to go to Mission Beach. But if you're not really into that stuff, or it's nighttime and you want to go to a nightclub or go to a bar and hang out with people over 21, then Pacific Beach is where it's at. Anyway, let's get on with the tour. There's the ale house. I've eaten there once.
What the heck? I thought we were partying.
It's busy over there, especially when it's not lunchtime. That is busy as hell. Had breakfast there yesterday. It's pretty good. Alright, we're gonna go and explore the north side of Pacific Beach. Okay, now we're at North Pacific Beach. We're heading towards the pier now. We'll check out the pier a little bit later. So I did not forget about that. Just I'm trying to hit everything before it gets too late. Okay, it is the next day, and we're going on to the Pacific Beach Pier. So you can rent these cottages, which seems like they'd be a fun experience. Fishing is a very big thing on these piers. I'm not really a fisher. As you can see, the rest of the coast of San Diego. Then you see the Ocean Beach Pier. You can barely see it. Water's quite calm out here. Yeah, kind of calm today in general. And of course, what you have to do when you go to Pacific Beach or any beach in San Diego is to watch the sunset. And if you have a GoPro like me, maybe even take a time lapse of that sunset. Well, unfortunately, that's going to about wrap it up here, so I hope you guys all enjoyed. Please leave your feedback down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.